Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky gave a speech on Thursday saying that no matter what, Ukraine is going to survive and he himself will rebuild Ukraine. In a moving speech made to the citizens today on the 8th day of Russia's attack on Ukraine, he said that Ukraine has faced so many crises and has faced a lot of adversities in the past few years, yet has retained its country and its people. He said they have witnessed World War I, World War II, the Depression, Russia's disintegration, and many other adversities. But each time, Ukraine has stayed united and has been able to retain its self. He called out to Russia and said that no matter how many times Ukraine is attacked and no matter how many people die, lay their lives for their country, Ukraine will rise again and will get back its glorious past. Let's hope President Zelensky's words come true and the war stops. It is very important that the war stops because a lot of people have died. Ukraine said that more than 9,000 Russian soldiers have died in Ukraine. That's a huge number. And Ukrainians have died in the country, both civilians as well as military personnel. So there is a need for this war to stop immediately. I hope President Zelensky sticks to what he has said and that he is able to rebuild Ukraine brick by brick, mortar by mortar, as they say, and bring back the past glory and its people. Stay updated with me for more news and updates. Thank you.